Judge Cassandra Williams had faced prejudice her entire life, but nothing prepared her for the blatant disrespect she encountered in her own courtroom. At 45, she was one of the youngest black women ever appointed to the state's Superior Court. Her reputation for fairness, sharp intellect, and unshakable composure made her a respected figure in the legal world. But not everyone respected her. Officer Daniel Kraus walked into her courtroom that morning with arrogance written all over him. He was testifying in a case involving excessive force, accused of brutalizing a young black teenager during an arrest. Cassandra noticed immediately how he refused to make eye contact with her, glaring instead at the prosecutors and rolling his eyes whenever she spoke. The trial had been tense from the start. When Cassandra reminded him to answer questions directly, he muttered under his breath, "I don't take orders from people like you." The courtroom gasped. Cassandra, maintaining her composure, calmly repeated, "Officer Kraus, you will conduct yourself with respect in this court, or you will be held in contempt." But Kraus's anger boiled over. When asked about the incident, he slammed his fist on the witness stand and shouted, "This whole thing's a joke. You don't belong up there in that robe. You're nothing but—" Before he could finish, the bailiffs moved closer, ready to intervene. But what happened next shocked everyone. Kraus lunged forward, storming toward the bench as though he could intimidate Cassandra into silence. The courtroom froze in horror. But Judge Cassandra Williams didn't flinch. Rising from her seat, she stared him down with an authority that made even the seasoned attorneys pause. "Sit down, Officer Kraus," she thundered, her voice echoing across the room. The force of her command stopped him in his tracks. The bailiffs grabbed him, restraining his thrashing body as Cassandra continued, unshaken. "This courtroom is a place of justice, not hatred, and today you have shown the world exactly why accountability is necessary." Her words cut deeper than any gavel strike. The spectators erupted in applause, many standing in support. The young black teenager at the center of the case watched with wide eyes, hope flickering across his face for the first time in weeks. Kraus was dragged out in handcuffs, now facing charges of contempt and attempted assault on a judge. Cassandra returned to her seat, adjusted her robe, and calmly said, "Court will proceed." The message was clear. No matter how loudly hatred tried to roar, courage and justice would roar louder.